Good morning, children. Take your GK portion of term 2. Let us learn a few information. Okay. The first lesson, plants, fruits, and a few information given in the first page. You please try to read it with your parents' help. And many of the answers of these exercises are also there. Okay. So shall we start? The first one. Dash a day keeps the doctor away. Orange, apple, or banana? It's apple. Okay, it's a famous saying also, because this apple is very nutritious and that make us healthy. Okay, so an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So put a tick mark over apple. Then bunches of bananas are also known as hands. That is true. That is, a collective noun for bananas. Okay, hands. That's a new word for you, right? Then the third one, mangoes do not. Sorry. Okay, take the second page. Question number 3, mangoes do not ripen once they have been plucked from the trees. That is true. Okay. The next, what is the color of custard apple? Red, green, or yellow? It is green. Okay. Then last one of this section, this drink is made from raw mango and spices such as black pepper, rock salt, and cumin in North India. What is it? Aam panna. Okay, the first one is the answer. Aam panna is the answer. Okay, now let us do the second section of the exercises. Name the fruits. The first question, this is a long yellow fruit. Monkeys love to eat them. Yes, of course, it is banana. The second one, this fruit comes in bunches and is most commonly red, purple, or green. What is it? Yes, grapes. Now the next one, which fruit has milk inside it? It is coconut. We get coconut milk from coconuts, right? Then next one, some people call this red fruit a vegetable, but it's really a fruit. It is very juicy. What is it? It's tomato. Tomato is a fruit. Okay, children. So you have to keep it in your mind always. Okay. Then next is quiz time. Identify this fruit. Here is a picture of a fruit. What is it? It's not apple. It's not plum. It is peach. Okay, peach is the right answer. Now next one, dash is the king of fruits. Do you know? Yes, it's mango. The second option is the correct answer. Then next, coconut is a vegetable. That is wrong. It's false. Then next is cucumbers are vegetables. No, cucumbers are not vegetables. They are fruits. Okay. Then peaches were once known as Persian apples. That is right. Okay, children. Now, children, let us see the first page of lesson 2, animals, birds. Here, about many birds. We can see about many birds. What are their specialties also? Okay. So, here also you please try to read it. Okay. Then rest of the many of the questions answers are here in this portion. Okay, in the first page itself. Okay, so here in the yellow boxes we can see that doves are considered as symbol of peace, love, and harmony. Okay, then in the next yellow box we it's not a box, actually it is given in that colored portion. Okay, yellow colored portion. So here we can see a hummingbird can fly backward but it cannot walk. Okay, children, that is, no other birds can fly backward, only hummingbird can fly backward. Okay, the next about ostrich, a fact file about ostrich. What is it? The ostrich is the largest and the heaviest bird on the planet. Okay, so let us see that yellow box given on the left side. Two questions. The first one, penguins are not good swimmers. That is false. Actually, it is given in the top of this page itself. That is, penguins are good swimmers. Okay, they can swim very well. Okay, children. Not only okay, penguins. Yes, okay, okay. Then next one, second question. Penguins, sorry, pigeons fly with a lot of speed. That is true. We have also experienced it, right? Pigeons, they can fly fast. Okay. Then the exercises we can do it in the next class. Okay. So see you children. We will meet again. Okay children. Bye.